Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Edward. Right down there. Where are you at, Edward? Massachusetts, I think. Let me look. Yep, Massachusetts. On this Truckerized Ranger RCI 99N4. You getting in on this last batch before they're all gone. Don't have very many left. Once they're gone, there will be no more. And I hate that because this is my favorite current production radio out right now. Amazing receiver, great audio, nice power, good looking radio. You can change things, you know, wherever you want to run them, so forth. Amp on, off switch, you got it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug, there you go. As usual, 25 watts, that's in case you decide to run a big amp, Ed. Not that you ever need to, but that's there. 125, excuse me, trying to get over a flu here, but 125 with it all the way down, or all the way up. Hello, about 215 bird. 1,000 watt slug and peak. Hello, and 580 PEP. All right, get this out to you, man. We got your clarifier unlocked. Got 10 kilohertz switch right there on the back, and got your high cut noise filter too, and it's all labeled. Ed, hope you had a great Thanksgiving from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.